Hi everyone, this is a tutorial about how I color my sketches in Photoshop. I hope you will enjoy it and find it helpful. First, I take a picture of my sketch with my phone. I want the picture to be as much as authentic as I can because this is what's beautiful about my edits, that it doesn't look obvious that I edited it, and it's very important to take a picture with the phone. Also, you can include a tool that you used in your drawing, just like I use my pen here. Try to take it as good as you can. It's very important that the drawing will be visible and obvious. Don't send the picture that you have taken with Messenger or WhatsApp because it will harm your quality. You can use your USB to deliver your picture, or any cloud platform like Dropbox or Google Drive. Both are very great. After you got your picture, open it in Photoshop, and now we're gonna color it. And now I want you to look at the very bottom corner of your screen, and you would see a little moon, a little half moon. This is the adjustment layers. What they do is they apply filters, and you can delete them and you can hide them in case you're not sure if you want to use them. I recommend you to open another picture and apply each one of them and see how they work. It will help you filter in the pictures, and I do recommend you to play with them and learn what they do. In this case, I'm using brightness and contrast because I want my picture to be bright. I will now make the picture a bit brighter than it was. And you see how it helps. And now I want to see if level's gonna work. I'm not sure, that's why I'm checking out things, and I can delete them later if I think it doesn't good enough. Nothing in the adjustment layer is forever. You can delete them. It's okay to make mistakes and try things. That's why it is deletable, so you can delete them if you don't like them. Now to color, I'd like to make a new folder. You see the little folder just next to the moon. I will choose it and it will create a new layer folder. Now I want the colors to mix. So if I just color, it will not look well. It will just look like I colored on the drawing. So I will put the folder on blending mode. I recommend you also to load the picture and to try. You will see what each blending mode does. It also have very good filters for your drawings and your pictures. So to make the colors blend in the picture, I will choose multiply. Multiply is also good for shading, so that's why I'm using light colors, so it won't look like I try to shade everything. So now I will color my picture. Adjustment layers also have hue saturation, so I can change my hue in case I don't like one color, or I can try out many colors without harming what I did. Click Alt between two layers, masking them to each other, which means the top layer is alpha locked to the bottom layer and it doesn't go out of its object, just like the alpha lock. If I want to shade my picture now, as you see, I open a new layer for everything that I want to color. For example, for his skin and his hair and his clothes. So if I want to shade it, I don't want to go out of the lines. So you see there's a little checkers board in the top of the layers. So I choose it and it locks the alpha of the layer, which means I can't draw outside of the object. It helps me to shade better without worrying getting out of the lines. I colored everything, now I can choose the group again and play with its opacity, see what works well. In this case, I'd like to go with low opacity because it blends well and looks more authentic. Now I want to add a background, and for this I will make sure the background layer will be with the group so it won't be visible under the group, and the group will also interact with this, so I don't want this. I just put the background layer inside the group so it will be one group, and it also gets multiplied with the background image, which is my sketch. And you see how it looks. Also, I choose a bright color to blend in more. Now I want to make the colors a bit brighter and saturated, so I will open Hue Saturation again and clip it with Alt to the group so it affects the group only. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section and I will answer everything. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. Also, if you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel, and see ya!